Welcome to Spirit Guide Communication through the Art of Divination with Bertina. My name is Bertina and I'm your host, and today we're going to be talking about unlocking the magic within, the power of morning rituals. In the symphony of life, our mornings compose the opening notes, setting the rhythm and tone for the rest of the day. How we embrace these initial moments can transform them from a whirlwind of chaos into a symphonic masterpiece. A magical ritual that harmonizes success, balance, and joy. But why the emphasis on magical mornings, you may wonder? It's in these moments that we wield the brush to paint the canvas of our day, where intention meets action and sets the stage for what's to come. The significance lies not just in the ticking of the clock, but in the conscious choice to infuse our mornings with purpose. The blueprint for crafting these magical mornings isn't complex. It's a gentle orchestration of mindful steps that illuminate the path to a more fulfilling day. Mindfulness, the cornerstone of this ritual, invites us to embrace stillness, inhale tranquility, exhale distractions, and center our thoughts on the present. If we have a positive intention as our compass, we tune to embark on this journey within. Gratitude, a beacon of light in the darkness, is the next stroke on this canvas. It's a simple act, just writing down a single thing that we're thankful for. This changes the mundane into the extraordinary. It casts a radiant glow upon the day ahead. Creativity, the lifeblood of the soul, finds its expression in the morning ritual, whether through sketches that dance across the page, words that weave tales of wonder, or movements that choreograph a dance of joy. It's these creative surge that breathes life into our existence. This morning ritual tends to nourish the vessel that carries our soul. We indulge in a breakfast of sustenance while engaging in gentle stretches that awaken our muscles. We have a fusion of nourishment for our body and for our soul. And as this symphony comes together, we visualize our day's tapestry, setting clear intentions and infusing it with the belief of our own capability to achieve. This mental blueprint becomes our guiding star through the day's endeavors. Yet this magical symphony need not to remain a distant melody. If you join my class, The Magical Morning Rituals, you delve deep into the transformative practice. I provide with you a guide to unlock the magic within, and it helps guide you to craft your unique morning ritual. This classroom has within it the science of successful mornings. It helps you to understand why mornings matter and how they shape your entire day. We look at mindfulness practices and learn simple exercises to cultivate presence and focus. You'll unleash your creativity with artistic expression throughout various activities. You'll energize your body. You'll begin to create some gratitude rituals. This class is easy to follow. It's designed for beginners and seasoned practitioners, and it allows you to invest in self-care, clarity, and purpose. Magical Morning Rituals Mini Workshop is only $10, and within this class you'll receive a Google Classroom that provides you a ritual ebook, setting intention worksheets, and self-care morning ritual checklist. So if you're interested in creating a magical morning and beginning your wonderful day with just a picture perfect tapestry of peace, email me at bertina@bertina.org, Bertena @bertina.org, or just visit my website, bertina.org, and click on courses that are offered by me and scroll down to Magical Morning Rituals. There's a PayPal button there, and all you have to do is just click, and it will take PayPal or credit card, and I will deliver the class to you within 24 hours. If you have any questions at all, let me know, but I can tell you that this mini workshop is just a wonderful way for you to begin your magical morning ritual, and it's a way to add to what you already have. And if you don't have a morning ritual, this is a great way to begin and then build from that. So if you have any questions, again, feel free to email me at bertina@bertina.org. Stop in on our Facebook group, Bertina's Spiritual Sanctuary, or follow me on Instagram at Bertina11.